Hey everybody, Carly here with the top 10 tips for juice fasting, and bonus tip number 2 is breaking your fast. This is so crucial because there are so many people who fast for a long period of time and then decide that they want to break their fast with a pizza, and that is not smart. Your digestive system has essentially gone to sleep during this process, and you need to slowly wake it up. And if you do not do this properly, you could injure yourself. So we want to make sure that we're doing this as safely as possible. Rule of thumb, you're going to take 1/3 of the time that you fasted to break your fast. So if you fasted for 9 days, that means that for an additional 3 days after your fast is over, you're going to take that time to break your fast. And here's how you're going to do it. In the beginning, more juice. You're going to keep juicing and then slowly incorporate smoothies and broths with the fiber in it to slowly wake up your digestive system. After you go through your juices and smoothies and broths, then you can incorporate soft fruits. That's going to be your soaked prunes, your soaked dates, and fruits like citrus as opposed to, say, apples. Your oranges, grapefruits, lemons. Those are the things that are going to be soft on your system and really digest very, very easily. After that period, then you can incorporate raw salads and that kind of solid food before you get to having actual meals. Take your time. This is not a race. You're going to want to make sure that you're doing this carefully so that you do not hurt yourself. Just a tip for you.